Welcome to Kentucky, proudly known as the Bluegrass State. Kentucky became the 15th state of the United States on June 1, 1792. Once part of Virginia, the state is located in the south-central region of the country and is bordered by 7 others: West Virginia, Virginia, Tennessee, Missouri, Illinois, Indiana, and Ohio. Kentucky was first explored by American pioneers James Harrod and Daniel Boone, whose journeys opened the door to settlement in the frontier. During the Civil War, Kentucky found itself caught in the middle, sending soldiers to both the Union and Confederate armies. Today, the state covers nearly 40,000 square miles, includes more than 120 counties, and is home to over 4.5 million people. Kentucky's economy thrives on a blend of agriculture, industry, and tradition. The state is famous for its high-quality tobacco, bourbon whiskey, and world-class horse breeding. Its fertile farmlands produce corn, soybeans, wheat, fruit, dairy, and cattle. The manufacturing sector is strong, producing cars, machinery, furniture, and steel, while Kentucky's natural resources supply petroleum and natural gas. The state's equestrian heritage runs deep, symbolized by the Kentucky Derby, a celebration of elegance, excitement, and Southern charm. Kentucky's landmarks reflect both history and natural wonder. The Abraham Lincoln Birthplace National Historic Site honors one of America's greatest presidents. Churchill Downs in Louisville is home to the world-famous Kentucky Derby. Visitors can also explore Mammoth Cave National Park, the longest cave system on Earth, or visit Big Bone Lick State Park, where ancient mammoths once roamed. Other must-see attractions include the Kentucky Horse Park, the Mary Todd Lincoln House, Waverly Hills Sanatorium, Ashland, the Riverfront Plaza and Belvedere, and the Louisville Slugger Museum and Factory. These sites make Kentucky a fascinating blend of culture, history, and adventure. Life in Kentucky is as comfortable as it is exciting. The people are kind, welcoming, and proud of their traditions. Hunting and outdoor recreation are part of everyday life, with opportunities to explore rivers, forests, and hills. The Kentucky Derby Festival fills the state with joy each year, and residents embrace both small-town friendliness and big-city opportunity. Whether you are rock climbing in Red River Gorge, watching the races at Churchill Downs, or simply enjoying a quiet sunset, Kentucky is a state where everyone feels at home. If you like this video, please remember to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and tell us in the comments which state you would love to live in. And remember, if your dream is to live in the United States of America, we at U.S. Green Card Office are here to help make your dream come true. Our experienced immigration team will guide you through the diversity visa program and ensure your application meets all requirements. Visit usgreencardoffice.com for more information about immigration to the United States and the ways to contact us. We are looking forward to seeing you in the next video.